guys. Okay, I wasn't planning to film this today, but I just stepped out for like 10 minutes in this Delhi heat and I'm already over it. And I had a whole realization which I need to talk about today. I know I might probably get hate for saying this, but I hate winters. Like, I actually hate them. So obviously I was waiting for summer. But summer in Delhi, not as cute as it looks. And I realized something. The most uncomfortable part of my outfit isn't even visible. It is what I'm wearing underneath. I was constantly adjusting, feeling sweaty, feeling uncomfortable in my own outfits. And it actually affects your confidence even if your outfit is really cute. So I recently tried the Victoria's Secret Cool Bra collection. And honestly, the biggest difference, the cooling technology. And the fabric is so cool to touch the second you wear it.
And it is designed to keep you feeling fresh and breathable even in this heat.
That sticky, sweaty feeling you get in summer, this genuinely helps with that.
It is one of those things you don't realize you need it until you try it.
Let me quickly put this on and show it to you guys how this looks underneath. Guys, I have put it on and look at the size. It is my perfect size because I literally went to the store and did all the fittings. And when I say structure, this is what I mean. Like, can you see the perfect cup size and perfect, it is giving some kind of structure to the area. Honestly, for me, the best part about this bra is it does not feel like it's a wired bra because it's so lightweight. It's very comfortable because usually when I wear a wired bra, I know it gives the structure and all, but it is also very uncomfortable and it is also very itchy. So I usually ignore the wired ones, though I really love the structure again, but I ignore it. But this is the perfect wired bra. Okay, so I wore the other one and it's so comfortable. I love it. It's just giving what it's supposed to give. And guys, 100 out of 10 for the prints. Also, I definitely recommend going in store and getting your proper bra fitting done because that makes a huge difference. Honestly, the biggest difference for me, I'm not constantly adjusting anymore, which means I can actually enjoy my outfits. I feel like this is one of those small things that changes your whole day, especially in summer. So yeah, not fighting my bra anymore. Alright guys, that's it for today and thank you so much for watching till the end and see you in the next one.